Example 27, domain. I have a sequence here, 2, 8, 14, 20, and 26. The arithmetic sequence shown can be represented by the function f of n equals 6n minus 4. I want to know the domain of this function. So let's talk about some things. So the domain always represents the values for the input. Okay, so we're talking about those x values. Okay. What can I plug in for x? In this case, it's n, so what numbers can n take? So in this case, the input variable is n. The output, or the numbers that would be in my range, would be f of n. Okay, those are the answers to my function. So we want to think, which value of n produces an answer of 2? So what number would I have to plug in for n to get to 2? Which value of n produces an answer of 8? Which value of n produces an answer of 14, of 20, of 26? So if you think about it like that in terms of like a table, I have one over here. If I were to take that first value, I plug that into my function, I get 2. When I plug in 2, I get 8. When I plug in 3, I get 2. When I plug in 4, I get 20. This should not be 2. This should be 14. That is a typo. There we go. Because 18 minus 4 is 14, not 2. So that's where those values are coming from. So the domain are the x values, and in this case, whenever we're talking about an arithmetic sequence, okay, we're starting at n equals 1, okay, because this is the first term in my sequence. So I'm not starting at 0, I'm starting at 1, which would mean that C is my domain. So 1, 2, 3, continuing on.